Hi guys, Veronica Weiland here with eXp Realty. Welcome to my channel. I can't believe it. It's already February 2023 and we're approaching very fast the spring season, which, as you guys know, is a very busy season. People are getting ready for either to sell their house or to buy a new home, to move. By the time the school year ends, people will be ready, and I actually see already the activity in the market. More homes are available for sale. The builders are throwing out really cool incentives to the buyers, and we have a lot of beautiful lots available here in Nocatee that will offer you to build a new house. Like, new construction is very busy still in this area. I don't know if you guys know, but in Nocatee, the goal was always to build 12,000 homes. And right now, I think we're around 10,000 homes more or less have been built. And of course, there's always the resale market, right? So if you don't want to build and you don't want to deal with construction problems and delays, you can always find a resale, because other people who decide to move to a bigger home or a smaller home, they decide to sell their home, put the house on the market, and then build. So there's so many options that you can choose from. And I'm here to help you. So if you're interested in buying a resale, I'd love to help you find a resale. And you don't pay me anything as a buyer, so the commission is usually paid by the seller, so you don't have to worry about that. And I'm here, the local expert for you. I can show you around, whether you're local or you're out of state. I can show you the lots, I can show you the for new construction, or I can show you the actual homes that are for sale. I can tell you what's going on in this real estate market, and any other questions you might have, I'm here to answer them. So give me a call, 904-808-3737, and I look forward to working with you. Bye guys.